Welcome to Dinosaur Trail Golf and Country Club. Nestled within the quiet river valley community of Drumheller, Alberta, here, the game of golf has arrived at an incredibly unique landscape with a rich and ancient history. Don't let the gentle breeze and soft sounds of riverside songbirds dull your senses on the forested front nine before climbing up into the arid Badlands where a challenging and unforgiving back nine awaits. Truly a gem on the Western Canadian golf scene, panoramic views and vistas such as these are found nowhere else on Earth. Join us today at Dinosaur Trail Golf and Country Club for a golf experience that will leave you in awe.